How to bypass the GE RPWFE filter on your GE refrigerator and use a normal RPWF filter. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I will show you how you can bypass this RPWFE special filter on your GE refrigerator and use any third party or any normal filter, say the RPWF GE filter. Now, why are we doing this? Just to give you a bit of background information over here. So this RPWFE filter has on the back right over here an RFID chip. Yes, it comes with a RFID chip, and the refrigerator detects that, hey, I have used this filter and you have to change it every 6 months, but the filter itself costs 50 US dollars. Yes, this filter here is 50 US dollars. Now GE also makes a normal RPWF filter without the E, which does not have the RFID chip, which is much cheaper. So yes, capitalism at its best, and we are going to bypass that right now. And yes, you can do it in 2022. And a lot of you might tell me, hey, why don't you remove the RFID chip from this filter, put it on a filter and then start using it? It doesn't work. The system has a memory in it wherein it says that, hey, I have used this filter already, it's been 6 months, here is the RFID unique number associated with this filter, so you cannot use it anymore. Now comes into the picture something called a bypass plug, and this is how a bypass plug looks like. So this is something you would have gotten with your GE refrigerator, or you can get it off Amazon, or you can call their customer care and get it. I do have a few links in the description of the video because I ordered it from Amazon. Now this bypass filter, or this bypass plug, it's not a filter, this bypass plug serves two purposes. One, it tells the refrigerator that, hey, do not filter the water, and then this over here blocks the hole from wherein the water enters the filter. So in a normal situation with this filter, when it is attached, it has this hole, water will enter the system, be filtered, and then be on its way out. But with this one, that connection is plugged out. And why is this dremeled out, or why have I removed the RFID tag? Yes, on the back here you have the RFID tag which tells the refrigerator that, hey, we have attached a bypass filter, so on the front of the refrigerator display unfiltered water. So that is something which you need to cut out. So I did that. Now once you have dremeled out or removed this RFID tag from the bypass plug, then you need to unscrew just one screw and remove the lid a little, and in there you will have a cavity which is big enough for this RFID tag to be placed. Place that in there, close it off, and then you're going to place your aftermarket filter, which is not RPWFE, which is a bit cheaper, and then you're going to start using it. The only downside is that you will get a message on your display that, hey, it is unfiltered water, whereas in actual it will be filtered water. How do you know it will be filtered? When you're using it for the first time, you will notice some air bubbles in the system. Then for the first few gallons of water, you will also notice that it is not filtered because whatever materials they have in here do settle in, take some time, so you have to discard the first few gallons of water, and it will be pretty obvious to you that the filter which you have attached now, which is not this special RPWFE, it could be a normal RPWF filter is working absolutely fine with this bypass plug RFID, which we have removed, put it in the refrigerator. Takes about 10 or 15 minutes for the whole process, and you should be good to go. So yes, in 2022 you can still bypass your GE RPWFE filter with a normal filter, which does not cost you 50 bucks. And GE, if you're watching this video, I have some piece of advice for you. Instead of spending a bunch of time making this special RFID system, how about you put in a measurement counter over there that hey, you have filtered out so many gallons of water. So that would give me as an end user the choice to change my filter at a specific gallon. Say I want to change my filter after every 100 gallons of water instead of every 6 months. So, instead of trying to make money out of the customer, maybe try to be helpful. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.